Hi, my name is Alwin Ng, and welcome to the Trade Your Edge YouTube channel. Very welcome. Firstly, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, and hope everyone is having a good break. Hoping that the new year will bring in better things. Right. So for those who know the financial market, usually and almost always, the market has lower volume in during the Christmas season. Having said that, as price action has shown year and year, it doesn't mean that price doesn't move because they are still players in the market who would take advantage of the Christmas season, and sometimes price would just move, but sometimes it doesn't have the logic that we apply in general. Of course, this year being the COVID-19 year, and for the Americans, you have a new president, and so on and so forth. The fundamentals has not changed. So price action is price action, whether there is a festive season or not. Having said that, you will notice that it's different every year. So at the end of the day, is what is price action telling us, and let's take it from there. Right. So in front of me, I have the euro dollar on a weekly chart. As you can see, this is a strong downward trend, and it looks to me like there's a potential reversal. As I've commented earlier, price have moved out of the consolidation phase and it's moving north. This week being Christmas week, it's fairly slow. In fact, if I look at it very carefully, this is this. There's an inside bar after a bull bar. Being a shorter week, price has consolidated. It's given me a very nice triangle on the daily chart. I will just wait for Monday to see if price is going to move too much. Today being Boxing Day and the weekend, of course, the market is closed. So for all consolidation, there's always a breakout, and the breakout is usually my cup of tea because I believe there's stronger momentum after a quiet period. Right, so that's my view. All right, moving from that, I have pounds. So let's move pounds to the weekly chart. Now, as far as pound dollar is moving in a erotic pattern, what remains true is that it is actually forming a very small channel upwards. So, although it's very choppy, it has a higher high and a higher low. Right. So, do not ignore these trend lines. They are very powerful indication of where price is going. On a bigger time frame, price is it feels like it's a reversal. It feels like this is the reversal pattern. So let me clarify what I'm trying to say here. I have a inverse shoulder, left shoulder being here, and my right shoulder being around here. So then, if I look at it, my right shoulder is higher than my left. This is a potential reversal, right? So this is it. Also, a very slight bias whereby the right shoulder has a new high now, which is very interesting, although the high is a little bit small. There's no conviction in this price action, but if the channel remains strong, then that itself is the conviction or the indication that this is a new trend. And if that is true, I would be looking forward because the upside is pretty big, right? If this is true. And this is the money chart as an indication, very nice indication that price is reversing. So very excited. Both euro dollar and pound dollar are reversing. In fact, all majors and minors, anything with the US dollar pair has this signal. Moving forward, gold on a weekly chart is still doing what it's doing as this is consolidation is consolidating in a consolidation pattern. This is a descending triangle, and price action is such that it's testing the $2,000 mark, which is a major psychological mark. And I've repeated this almost every single week of the channel. So if you didn't get it, then bless you. With that, I'm just going to wait for gold to break out. Until then, if you are a consolidation or range trader, then this is something for you, not something for me. Last but not least, I have this is pound dollar on a monthly chart. A very clear range, or at least for me, it's a very clear range. I'm looking at price to go downward, which price has done its first pullback ever since it touched the 0.93 level. Right, my expectation is price will go down further. It's come down, it's done a pullback. Now to look for some nice entries to take it down a little bit lower. Okay, well, that's it for me. Again, wishing everyone well, and have a good break, and have a good rest. And I'll see you in 2021. All right, thank you, and have a good weekend.